Often buyers have a must-have list when looking for a home. This home has a lot of those must-haves, so let's go inside and have a look. This well-organized home features over 2,200 square feet of functional space, highlighted by a floor plan that allows for separation between communal areas and sleeping spaces. This home boasts an open concept living, a gas fireplace in the living room, and easy access to the outdoor patio. The kitchen is the anchor to the communal living space and helps set the tone, starting with the morning coffee and closing with dinner while you share the day's activities. The main floor also plays host to a full bath, office, and a convenient pass-through laundry on the way to the garage. The second floor's purpose is best described as rest and relaxation, with 2 similar-sized bedrooms sharing a bath and the primary suite. The well-proportioned primary is the main sanctuary on the second floor and is highlighted with a walk-in closet and spacious ensuite bath. Now that you've seen all the must-haves that this home possesses, give your favorite realtor a call today and have a look for yourself.